Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Monday.com for project management. So it's a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is just simply go to any web browser and type Monday.com. And as you can see here, Monday.com, a platform built for a new way of working. So they will ask you, would you like to manage with Monday.com? They have creative design, software development, marketing, project management. They have also sales and CRM. They have task management, HR, operations, and more workflows. So as you can see here, no credit card needed and unlimited time on free plan. So you can have or create or make a project or create a plan using Monday.com without paying anything. But of course, if you want to avail or get the wonderful features, you can simply upgrade your plan. So that's it. Now above here, we have your products, teams, platforms, resources, pricing, contact sales, and login and get started. So let's just click this get started. If you have an existing account, just kindly click login. If you don't have an account, then simply tap get started. So to start, you can sign up or you can get started using your email address, or you can continue with Google account. But let's just try to type our email address here. So once you type your email address, you have to make sure that this one is a valid email address and you're using this one because they will send notifications to your email address. And then click continue. Okay, so here you can now type your full name. Okay, and then below we have your password. Enter a password, it should be unique, and then account name. Here I'm going to type my company name. Okay, Skillset Academy. Okay, then once done, click continue. And then, hey, what brings you here today? You have options here, but I want to click work. Okay, since I will be doing something on my work. What best describes your current role? So let's just say I am a team leader and I will be assigning some tasks here. Okay, so once done, click continue. How many people are you in your team? You can, select anything here. If you're small on your team, then you can select 2 to 5. How many people work at your company? Everything is up to you. For me, I'll click this one, then continue. Select what you like to manage first. We have here choices, education, finance, let project management. And then once done, click continue. And then after that, select would you like to focus on first, resource management, and so on. Just tap whatever you like. For me, I'll choose project management. Continue. One last question. How did you hear about us? Of course, YouTube ad. Click continue. Okay, so here it is. Now, this is what it looks like, or this is what Monday.com looks like. Now, in order to proceed, okay, before you see the layouts and everything, you can invite your teammates, or actually, you can do that later. Okay, so here I am going to add my team members using their email address. So I'll type their email address, and of course, I'm going to choose their role. Okay, member, Jenny at hotmail.com. Jenny is a member because I am the admin of this project. Okay, so these are my team members. Andrew, member. And actually, you can add more. You can add another. You can add many email address here, especially if you are handling lots of employees or team members. Okay. Then once done, you can now proceed. Okay, so let's start working together. What is your company name or what's the name of your project? For me, Skill Set Academy. And then select the relevant columns for your board. You can add another column here, okay, if you want to add, for example, priority, files, or let's just say timeline. You just have to tap. For example, I'd like to add budget, okay, and then after that, click next, okay. Actually, you can add more if you want. Now select one of the items you'd like to manage, task or projects. So for me, I'll choose task. because I will be assigning some task to my team members. Click next, add a view layout. So we have different layouts here. Choose one which you prefer: table, Gantt, timeline, cards, Kanban, and calendar. Actually, most of the people use this table or Kanban, but I'd like to use this table and then click next. So once you're done with your layout, you can now do the tasking. So list your task, project initiation phase. Okay, actually, this is my tasking. You can create your own. This is just for a tutorial. So requirements, gathering, design and development phase, and then click next. Now group task to better organize your work. Actually, you can type anything here. For me, I'd like to type project 101, project 102, and then click get started. Okay, so wait as it is processing. Now, here it is. This is what Monday.com looks like, very organized. All you have to do is just simply edit, add, and explore more about this. So we are using main table. Actually, you can add column if you want. You can add dashboard. Okay, this is what dashboard looks like. If you want it to look like a chart, you can add or you can click chart. You can add another column and you can choose Kanban. Okay, so this layout is very cool because actually you can just drag the position, drag the words, drag the boxes. You can even edit the text and you can even change the colors. Okay, so this is what Kanban looks like. You can just simply drag everything here. You can add text, you can edit everything. And then also it's the same thing with other layout like the table because you can simply just click the icon. For example, if it's a human icon, then that means you are assigning a task to the person. Okay. So for example, this one, I'm going to change the color. Okay. And then if I'm going to add more detail about this specific tasking, all I have to do is to click. Now, if I want to give more details about this tasking, for example, I want to change color or assign this to a specific person, I just have to tap this one. And then here, you can simply, okay, select someone or assign this task to someone. And then this task should be submitted with this given date. Okay, status working on it. And then budget, you just have to edit. Let's just say 200. And then here, you can add note or instruction. For example, please finish it ahead of time. Now you can edit the text by just tapping above here, bold, italic, underline, and you can even insert a link from a site or YouTube. Okay, so you just have to tap this one, insert link, type the link here or paste the link here, and then tap next. Okay, so click update. Now you can also add something like files or anything from your computer or from your Google Drive. You can add GIF, okay, even emoji, and you can even mention a team member here and then click update. So that's how easy it is. Now you can tap X if you're done, but let's just go to our main table here. Okay, so these are my tasking. Okay, skill set academy tasking. You can add a conversation here, like what I have said or what I did earlier. Type any instruction or you can tap description or any conversation here. Okay, so edit by just tapping options above, insert link if you want from a site, from YouTube or whatsoever. Click insert and then they can tap this one and it will direct them to the link or the website or the YouTube channel. Okay, so after that, you can add files from computer, Google Drive, okay, GIF, emoji. Okay, so you can explore everything here if you want. Okay, click update. Now you can also do this to other tasks here. Okay, just start a conversation or type an instruction here. You can do the same thing. Okay, you can add a person, a teammate, or assign this to a teammate. And then due date, it should be done within this given time. Okay, you can edit everything here for the status or even the budget. You can edit or type the specific budget here. You can even add columns. For example, you want to add like a country. Okay, so let's just say this person is from this country, specific country. You can even add like priority or other column here. Then priority is high. Okay, so that's it. Now for the third task or another task, you can do the same thing, add a conversation, edit the text by just tapping anything above here, add a file, add everything, insert a link, mention someone, okay, add GIF, emoji, or mention. And then once done, you can simply tap update. Now let's just say this task is done. So you can simply add done. You can add emoji if you want. Okay. And you can change the status here to done. And like what I've said earlier, you can change the color by just clicking this edit label here. Okay, change the color, change the text if you want, and that's it. So you can do this also to other options here, to other tasks here, okay, to other labels here. Okay, you can change budget, okay, you can change priority. Okay, so let's just say this one is slow because it's already done. Okay, so that's it. Now you can do this to another task here. You can even add tasks if you want. You can add another project or another, plan. Okay, so you just have to tap it here. Now, if you want to delete all of this, you just have to tap and then we have your options: duplicate, export, archive, delete, tap delete if you want. Okay, so apart from that, we have also another thing here. If you want to choose another template, let's just say for project management, you can simply select any template here. Okay, if you want something that is unique or if you're looking for a specific template or layout, you can just simply go to choose template or you can even go to the search box there and type what kind of template you're looking for or layout you're looking for. Okay, so let's just say this one. You have a project and that project needs this template. So all you have to do is to edit the information here, edit the column, the label, and everything here. Okay, so that's it. Now you can edit the same thing. It has the same method, okay? You can just simply add instruction, add conversation, add files, okay? Add anything here, change the status, the label, the column, the colors, and everything. Okay, so Monday.com is such a very easy tool to use, and you can see lots of templates and layouts here. So just like what I've said earlier, all you have to do is to edit and be sure with your labels here, with your project, with everything. Okay, it is provided already. Okay, another thing is that you can integrate with other applications here. For example, you want to add Google Calendar, Gmail, or if you want to add Zoom. If you are doing or conducting a seminar or a meeting, you can just add Zoom if you want. Just tap Add Zoom and it will be connected directly and you can see it in your Monday.com. So that's it. And I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.